It's time for the EPAWA Daily Forecast video, a comprehensive look at what to expect in the days ahead. Here is meteorologist Bobby Marchitz with your latest outlook.
Good morning. It is Friday. It is January 7th, 2022. We have a winter storm pulling away today. It's going to be a day that's going to have clouds giving way to sun after this system exits. In our far eastern areas, there will be some leftover snow showers this morning until that fully pulls away to the north and east. And you can see that here on the image. This system is not pulling into the Gulf of Maine this morning. So nice little dose of snow overnight for most areas. And some areas actually went into the slightly higher category. Our map had 2 to 4 over a very large area, and locally higher amounts possible. We had a few of those locally higher amounts possible, and we still might get some more of that tonight. I'm recording this video just after midnight, so I already see what's going on. I had a live stream earlier this evening, so thank you for all who joined that live stream. It's something we're going to be continuing to do during events and hopefully at better hours instead of having to do it in the evening before the storm really gets started. So there's this system today pulling away, and it will continue to do so. And we're going to have breezy conditions develop once this pulls away, and temperatures are going to be stuck here in the 28 to 34 degree range from northwest to southeast today. Again, those early snow showers this morning. And then tomorrow is a mostly sunny day, 30 to 34, not much difference. But with the winds today, the wind chill is going to be a factor this afternoon. If you have any snow removal to do it early, okay? Because the afternoon is going to be much colder of a feel with that wind kicking. And the winds are going to be 10 to 15 miles per hour sustained, gusts 25 to 30 times. That'll go straight through the evening hours, okay? So let's get over the high resolution rapid refresh. I'm using this now because it's been all over this evening. It's useful when it's in a shorter range. And it shows the leftover snow showers in our far eastern areas at 7 p.m. Basically, east of the Delaware River might have a few leftover snow showers back about to end here in far eastern Pennsylvania at this point, but it's going to move away pretty quickly. So between 7 and 9, we're looking for an end time here for that snow. I just wanted to back, for those of you who watched this video in the overnight, I just want to back this up here because this is the latest run of the HRR, and it is showing some banding in some areas that we're not expected to see some banding. So you might have some locally higher amounts that go from not only south central PA, where they issued winter storm warnings last night, last minute, because they overperformed there. But also, this is going to extend up through places like Berks, Lehigh, Northampton. You're going to get the Lehigh Valley is going to get hit with that, with a pretty solid band overnight, it looks like. And then in addition, you're going to have the banding that was expected down by the shore point. So that's still going to occur. We're just going to have a little bit better higher end, at least, of the 2 to 4 range, if not slightly exceeding that in a few areas here in those areas. That's what it's looking like at this hour, okay? So it's looking better. For those of you that have been wishing real hard for snow, you're going to get it. So going forward from this point, we have a mostly sunny day on Saturday. No issues. High pressure sitting right over top of the area. That's why we have a mostly sunny day, 30 to 34. Because you have this fresh snow cover now, it's going to change the nightly temperatures. The projected temperatures in the models, the model can't seem to figure out that, hey, there's snow on the ground. So these temperatures are going to be lower than we think it is because it doesn't have the physics to be able to figure that out. So you have a lot of radiational cooling. It's a lot easier to get radiational cooling when you have a fresh snow cover of the ground. So don't be surprised if you get some areas going into the single digits overnight for lows, especially with mostly clear skies. I think there should be no problem with that overnight tonight. So these forecast lows that even we have it in our East Central PA region that I did tonight, I have a low of 14. It's probably I wouldn't be surprised if it gets down to 10, 8, something like that. Not out of the question, okay? With that fresh snow cover, that's going to help. Going forward from this, our next system we're going to watch here is on Sunday. Now, there is some freezing rain, antecedent freezing rain ahead of this cold front coming through, and it's going to be just in the morning, okay? The timing of this right now looks like it's going to be some freezing rain in the morning, not heavy, but a couple hundredths of an inch of freezing rain is possible for the interior only, not down by Philadelphia and point southeast, but areas northwest, okay? We'll get into more specifics of this when I have this tomorrow, because it's a little bit too wishy-washy at this point of how much you're going to get. So The NAM that came in this evening was showing some freezing rain. Actually, I can show you that too, real quick. Where's it at? It's been a long evening, folks. We go to the freezing rain total. I'm going to move this forward, see if this is in range. You're getting a little bit here on late Saturday night into Sunday morning. Let me go to the 12-kilometer NAM just to show you. Here's that freezing rain. So it's not a whole lot, and you see the areas that it is. But we're generally under 0.05 of an inch of freezing rain, but it doesn't take much ice to cause problems. So this is going to be an issue on Sunday morning. But then as the temperature is sufficiently warm, we're going to go over to rain showers for a little bit, and then this front will continue offshore. Then early next week, we're going to be cold, very cold, in fact, with highs near freezing Monday, which isn't too bad. Tuesday is going to bottom out. We're going to knock it out of the teens in many areas, and you're going to have single-digit lows at a minimum. I wouldn't be surprised if somewhere in the far northern areas here gets to near zero. Okay, it's going to be cold Monday night and again Tuesday night. So Tuesday's not getting out of the teens for highs in some places, lower 20s elsewhere. We have a high of 22 forecasted for Philadelphia, of all places, on Tuesday. So it's going to be cold. We are looking at dry conditions, partly cloudy on Monday, mostly sunny on Tuesday. The high pressure is going to be right over top. And that's why you're going to have those really cold temperatures, especially Tuesday night. Man, it's going to be really cold there. And then Wednesday is a partly cloudy day to round out the 7-day forecast period. Take it easy driving today. It's going to be first time with snow for a lot of areas. So you're going to have people that forget to drive in snow. It happens every year. Just make sure you're aware of other people around you, not so much what you're doing, but other people that you have to watch out for. Just take it easy and slow this morning until the roads are properly treated. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for January 7th, 2022. Have a great Friday.